Hi, today's dish is Nasi Minyak, a fragrant golden rice often served at weddings and special gatherings in Malaysia. Rich in spices and tradition, it's a celebration in every bite. Start rinsing 1,500 grams of basmati rice until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. Then soak for 1 hour. This helps the rice cook evenly and stay fluffy. Next, slice 80 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 200 grams of onions. Slicing them releases their full aroma and flavor, which will infuse the ghee during frying. In a separate bowl, mix 8 tablespoons of powdered milk with 500 milliliters of water. This will be added to the rice to give it a rich, creamy texture and enhance its flavor. In a rice cooker, add the soaked and drained rice, followed by the milk mixture and 1,700 milliliters of water. Add 8 sugar crystals to help the rice stay intact and prevent it from breaking. Add 1 chicken stock cube, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 3 pandan leaves for aroma. Mix everything well. Close the rice cooker lid and let it sit while we move on to preparing and frying the spices. Prepare 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 2-star anise, 8 cloves, 8 cardamoms, 3 pandan leaves tied into knots, and 14 fresh mint leaves. Heat 8 tablespoons of ghee in a large pot, then add the prepared spices. Fry them until fragrant, then add the sliced ginger, garlic, and onions. Fry everything together until golden brown and aromatic. Once fried, pour the entire mixture, ghee and all, into the rice cooker. Gently mix it to spread the flavors evenly through the rice. Then close the lid and start cooking for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, slice 1 carrot. After 15 minutes, open the rice cooker, mix the rice gently, then add the sliced carrot. Then add fresh mint leaves and rose water. We add these halfway through cooking to preserve their fresh flavor and ensure they don't burn. Once done, add the yellow food coloring and let the rice sit for 30 minutes before fluffing. This gives the rice its vibrant golden color and rich, buttery flavor. And there you have it, your perfect Nasi Minyak, ready to shine as the star of any special meal.